There are moments when you raise your hands in dua, not once, not twice, but again and again. You whisper the same words. You ask for the same relief. You beg for the same change. And yet, nothing seems to move. No sign, no answer, no door opening. So the heart begins to wonder, is Allah silent? Did He forget me? Did I do something wrong? But listen carefully, Allah is not ignoring you, and your dua is not wasted. In fact, in the delay itself may be the answer. We live in a world that moves fast. Messages are instant, results are instant. Everything is expected immediately. So when dua doesn't work the same way, we assume something is broken. But dua was never meant to follow our timeline. Because Allah does not answer dua based on speed, He answers dua based on wisdom. Allah tells us clearly in the Qur'an, perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. Allah knows and you do not know. Surah Al-Baqarah 216. You see the moment. Allah sees the outcome. You see today. Allah sees 10 years from now. What you are begging for right now might destroy you later. So Allah delays it, not to hurt you, but to protect you. Sometimes the delay is not about the thing you want. It's about who you are becoming. Allah says, and we will surely test you with fear, hunger, loss of wealth, lives, and fruits. Surah Al-Baqarah 155. Testing is not punishment. Testing is attention. It is Allah saying, I am watching you closely. Because the ones Allah ignores are never tested. Think about this. If Allah truly did not care, He would let you have everything you ask for. No resistance, no struggle, no delay. But He doesn't, because ease without guidance destroys the soul. The Prophet Muhammad explained this clearly. He said, there is no Muslim who makes dua except that Allah gives him one of three things. Either Allah gives him what he asked for, or He delays it, or He removes a harm equal to it. Sahih Muslim. So your dua never disappears. It is either given, stored, or protecting you right now, even when you feel nothing. But here is the part most people do not like to hear. The Prophet also said, the dua of a servant will continue to be answered as long as he does not become impatient. Sahih Bukhari and Muslim. Impatience sounds like this. I made dua, but nothing happened. I waited and Allah didn't respond. I gave up, and when dua stops, the door closes. Not because Allah closed it, but because the servant walked away. Sometimes Allah delays your dua to teach you patience. Sometimes to detach your heart from the world. Sometimes to bring you closer to Him, not just to what you're asking for. Because the greatest gift is not the answer, it is the relationship. Allah says, call upon me, I will respond to you. Surah Ghafir 60. Notice He did not say when, He said I will, and Allah never breaks a promise. Returning to Allah is not complicated. You don't need perfect words. You don't need long speeches, just honesty, just weakness, just one sincere whisper. Ya Allah, I need you. That dua reaches the heavens. Peace does not return when life becomes easy. Peace returns when the heart returns to Allah. And maybe this delay you hate is the mercy you don't see yet. One day you will look back and say, Ya Allah, thank you for not giving me what I thought I needed. Because He didn't just answer your dua, He saved your soul. And maybe this video was part of that answer.